Yeah, I'm gonna be trading just combines today. I already locked up my XFA. We shorted that. So gap filled, right? Gap down, gap filled. Once it gap filled, it shut the fuck down, and then held support around London. Maybe a bit move up, but now we're just trending back and forth based on a bunch of tweets from Iran and Trump on the situation of Strait Hormuz. Big gap down on SPY. Big, still big gap down on QQQ. So the future gap filled, but the regular gap for QQQ has not filled. You see this big gap. I make it early day today, possible. Can't stay long anyways. Oh man, we a busy day. We're big busy week. Busy week. Wow, also, there's some I think OpenAI and Apple has some little beef going on. Apple is suing OpenAI, and Apple was partnering with OpenAI. Now Apple suing OpenAI because of possible theft from OpenAI's employee, intellectual theft. They're accusing OpenAI of stealing most of their technologies and data now. OpenAI, I'm telling you, that guy Sam Open, I don't trust that guy. Sam, just don't trust him, man. You just some people just look in the eyes and you're like, man, this guy is gonna fuck up society. He looks like one of those guys. You know what I mean? He just looks like one of those guys. Elon Musk was right. Elon Musk hated him too. He was beefing with Elon Musk too. If you guys don't know, it all started with I think it's Sam Altman, and they were friends before. They kind of started OpenAI, but Elon Musk wanted to keep that company public. Uh, and then that was the kind of deal thing. But then Elon Musk, Sam Alton made it private, even though Sam Altman wanted to before. He was like, "Oh yeah, I'm gonna keep it public," blah blah blah. Then all of a sudden, they made it private to reckon that money. OpenAI is supposed to set to IPO too, within this year, maybe soon, like a couple months. I think that company will probably go broke in 2 years unless they offer something amazing. Market open, guys. Good luck. Yawn like crazy. Hmm. Ew, Intel. SpaceX taking a hit. Under 150 now. Where 143.89. Robinhood, nice candle there. Oh my God, technology and XLK. I think those are taking a big hit. Oh yeah, big gap down. Apple, nice big candle. Tesla, nice big red candle. Nvidia, trying to stay above that 200. Very decent. I think 215s see a good rejection there. Google, bearish opening. I see negative momentum on NQ during the open. Let's see if we can go above the zero line. Mm-mm-mm. Bearish open so far. Hey, Oh, so far down 1.2%. Not bad. Still some room down. Yeah, VD sold off. Apple Meta, nice bounce there. Also Google, nice bounce. So that momentum down, it's kind of dying off. So I'll be careful shorting. Broken needle or below here. See some displacement first. We want to see it come down a little bit lower. Retest it. Then we'll go short. Don't trust the short right now because of what Meta and Apple is doing and Google is doing. Kind of want to rally here, push. XLK too, looking like a little bit of a bounce here. Microsoft is actually really green too. Microsoft green, Apple's green. Let's see what else. Amazon's green, Meta's green. The Max 7's holding on, so yeah, we have XOK down 1.6% and SMH down 2.85. So chip names are down, but most of the Max 7s are up. You know what that means. Copy action. Okay. XLK is starting to give up. SMA starting to sell off again. That's a third candle down now. A little bit of divergence from SPY and QQQ earlier. SPY was up, QQ was down. The first 5 minute candle. Kinda, oh, man, now the momentum starting to squeeze. All right. Would love to see a retest now. Love to see a retest now of the orb low 63.31, and then we could possibly look for a short there. Mm-mm. Estimation XK is definitely dragging the market. So it's Nvidia who it sells off. If we start to see weakness from Meta, Apple, and then Google, also Microsoft, it's going to cause more selling. If we see those start to sell off. Oh my god. We just made a intraday low right now. It looked strong earlier. Now it's just weak. We are touching the weekly low here. Still a lot of negative momentum. Knifing through this. Haven't seen a strong bounce yet. Give it some kind of strong bounce retest so we can get an entry. There we go. Something like that. IGV is a short. Damn, premium hella high. I like IGV $92 puts for 717. Are you playing options with Mindy? It was like $1 something. We gotta check. We're coming down. We're coming down. You can get a really strong retest. So still waiting for a better retest. There's definitely a lot of negative momentum now. Like Google selling off and Meta selling off again. Not a strong retest to enter. That's it. Look like a continuation short still. What's up, Roxy? Mm-hmm. The IGV short got in at 143. Yeah, the IGV is a weekly contract though. So do you have time? I'm seeing bounce here off the Max 7 here plus XLK SMH. A little bounce. Good strong bounce here. This is the retest of the orb. Let's see how it reacts here. Strong bounce everywhere. Ideally, you want to see rejection here. The actual rewap is actually 29,719. Don't look at this rewap here. I'm sure, you know what? I'm gonna, there's the rewap of this thing. I'm gonna adjust it so that you don't even see it in the 1 minute. That's just bullshit. On that second. Um, Only appear on the 5 minute. There we go. Strong bounce there. Strong bounce. No trade yet. Just still observing. SPY doing really nice, but it's very choppy. 5 minute on SPY. Gold selling off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Tempted. Tempted to go short, but not yet. Very tempting. We did make the retest here or blow. Kind of went above it, didn't like it. Now it's closing underneath it. Like that. Let's see how it does right here, though. Strong push. It could continue, pull back and continue higher. Yeah, we don't want to just fall for it yet. I'm looking at my momentum squeeze indicator. I want to see the 1 minute start to squeeze to the downside. That's where I'll take the short. But most indicators kind of lagging, so kind of have to depend on a little bit of intuition too. Right now, I still don't see it yet. We just made a lower high here, right? So lower low, lower high, lower high. So we're making that pattern to the downside, really. I'm not ready to attack yet. The 5 minute squeezing though. 5 minutes squeezing to the downside though. Damn. Also just got another email cross here to downside. A little bit, yeah, a little bit more patient today. Yeah, so far there's nothing here. Man, look at gold. Gold's selling off. Jeez. Is gold about to be underneath 4,000 again? Got a long way though, but it's almost there. At $4,040 right now of points. You don't look at a dollar sign, it's points. MGC. See a little bit mixed reaction still. We got Nvidia trying to make a decent little bounce here. So it's XLK, SMH. While the Mag 7 start to sell back down a little bit here with Meta and Apple's, Google, Tesla. A little back and forth. Now I'm starting to favor long. Feel like the short had its chance right there to really bring it down. Yeah, it still can go both direction. You're right, but I'm just starting to favor like right now the long side for the bounce. I'm starting to see a squeeze here long. Um, I like the first candle squeeze. But one more candle. I might take a long soon. I gotta see another squeeze. Come on. Not quite yet, but we break the structure. Be nice here. If I go in a little bit earlier, take a shot at it. All right. I'm gonna take a shot long here.
Order filled.
Buy cons. No, we have not broke the structure in the upside, but like I'm taking a bigger gamble here, going long early. So once we break out, I think we just head up. The rejection here would be really bad, obviously. We have not broke the structure. I am long at 650. Stops. I want to say stop at, give it a decent stop. 581. My stop. Decent size stop, man. You get a stop up there, that's not meant to be. Aiming for that at least one or two, or at least over high. TP 791. We had two squeeze and then we start selling off. Come on, third candle squeeze. Okay, that looks better. $6.50. Stop's gonna be at the 581. And TP at 791. Let's get a decent battle for XLK and SMH. We should be good. So I'm in long. Gotta drag my TP up there. We need a new image for long. I'll find a good one. I'll find a good one here. Maybe here, Maddie. Yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Order filled.
Oh, come on. There we go. Well, guys, we got random tweets. Ah. Well, Trump economy. Trump market. Fuck. Well, random news got us. Yep. It's just you can't. Fuck. Here you go. The buy plans. New port to bypass your Hamas. Uh,
Wow, I was in a gold short.
did it pop? Oh, did
Yep,
it pop up?
up down.
It popped down. Uh,
Yeah.
it's yeah, fucking random news out of nowhere.
What the hell was that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, you shoved that trigger, Tony. Yeah, that when that happens, volatility, you stop. Sometimes doesn't trigger, bro. Unfortunately, that happens.
Wow.
Yeah, so you have to manage, try to manage, stop it. It does that stuff because the volatility is so fast, and then you just yeah, you don't even stop out. Can't even stop out, even though you have a stop. Just keep going. Man, you gotta deal with that bullshit. See, that's why. This war needs to be over with. Was making good progress to the upside. Uh, this movie versus watch this time movie versus not too long. Fucking dumb. Trump reinstating the Iranian blockage. 717. That's what causing that to happen. God. Back and forth, back and forth.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go back in long. I'm gonna go back in long. That much have much deal left though, so sucks. It is what it is. He should tweet. Oh my god. You think? Uh, whatever, dude. It happens. Sometimes you're on his good side. Sometimes you're on the bad side of a trade. It's just random tweets. Nothing sketchy today. He just, you know, untruthful. Just tweeting away. I am back in long at 583. Let's hopefully that news is just nothing burger and it sells off and buys back. Sometimes it does that immediate reaction and markets correct itself. But I don't have much drawdown left. Like what, 300, and I'll stop out. Oh, this is a tight one. Yeah, Trump tweeted. I'm back on 583. Top's tight. It's 553. TP now at, let's see, same spot? Yeah, same spot. 736. A stop out here will be done for me for the day. Man, good thing I didn't trade XFA today. I would be so disappointed. That would have hurt. There's a lot of wicks here. Looks like they're trying to buy it back. Let's see. Sometimes it happens when people chase that news candle and then um it goes reverses long. So I'm hoping for something like that to happen right now. It would chase that short and it reverses along all the way back up. Gold definitely. I mean, oil definitely spiked. I'll take that. Yeah. Mhm. Well, the good news is IGV is up 8% off that short. Here we go. A little bit here. The sunbacks. He's always been on Truth Social. He's always been. He tweets on Truth Social, and then his other accounts, imitation accounts, get picked up on that, and other influencers, top influencers, they tweet it back on X. But if you're on Truth Social, that's where you hear it first. That his platform is pretty much his kind of his company that he invested in. Nice little pump back reaction here. Back in that long. Like I said, this is what happens sometimes, right? We get that big short, early reaction, and then market buys it back up because people start to chase that short. There we go. Nice strong pump back here. Nice pump. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Fuck, made our money back here. Uh, yeah. I'm gonna sell. So I'm gonna sell some.
Order filled.
Ooh, yeah, we're pumping here. We pumping. We are pumping. There you go. Let's go. All right, I should break even. If you guys take break even, take some profit here. Uh, I'm gonna let this go. I think we break out of this structure here. We're gonna test that over high. Pump it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Come on, go for it. Break out. Just your stop, guys, and trim some size off. Take some profit. Oh, it's testing rewap at 29,700 coming up around here. 5 minute rewap right here. I'm adjusting slightly up, so take some profit. Come on, pump it. This year, his term's ending this year, I believe. Yeah, let's go. Come on. Be along with me, looking good. Oh yeah, here we go. Ooh wee, ooh wee, ooh wee.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm trimming some sides now. All right, only 5 cons left. Set to break even, and we're up. Only down 100 so far unrealized profit, but up unrealized profit about 590 here. We're at the rewalk. That's why we see a little wick. We break out of that. Come on, almost TP. So let's take some profit, guys. Take some profit. That I only have like 1 or 2 runners. Here we go. We're pumping. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up. Oh yeah. Let's see. Stop sell 4 here. See if we get higher runners. I'm gonna try this candle by candle. See if we get some runners here. Fuck. We definitely turned a negative to a positive real fast. Ah. Oh, give me some more. Give me some more. Pump it. IGV just I'll cut the IGV short now because of that pump. So not much of a loss.
Order filled.
All right. We trim 4 back in the positive, so we have 1 runner left. Um, yeah, I'll just leave my stops right here at 650, and if I losing $100. I mean $50. And ultimate target 791 is for my runner. If whoa, not so bad. Not so bad. Made all that back plus more. It was primed to pump right here. That news dropped it, and now we're back. It was primed to pump, man. And sometimes that happens, you know. Fucking the market does that to you. Just you gotta laugh it out, and just move along. You know, just Wait till Trump's term is over, or at least the war would be over. It's not really about Trump, but it's really just the war. You know, he has to do this kind of stupid ass tweets, just ongoing. Being on truth over. The Strait is open and will remain open with or without Iran. uh, the U.S. will reimburse 20% on cargo from Hamas. Da da da. So yeah, he's ensuring that damn thing stay open. With or without Iranian approval. All right. So what he's saying is, you guys want to pass through? I got your back. You don't got to worry about the Islamic State. What the fuck, man? I want to move this. Jeez, the magnet's still working. And this will be my last trade. Obviously, I told you guys I have things to do this whole week. Very busy, man. So, oh, decent play, right? We got to stop off some bullshit. It happens. And then took advantage of that. I was like, I still like long. I think you don't chase that short. Look what happened. We long. We went long from there. Made money back plus some. Money back plus some. My wife made me a nice little percent breakfast sandwich. Nice and hot. Technically, we're at rewap up here and rejecting. Yeah, rewap right here. I want to eat in front of you guys. Looks like I'm gonna get stop out. Hmm. Or not. I'll be back.
Order filled.
All right. Look like I stopped that. All right. That's it for me today. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. Could have been worse. Could have been down 700 on that bullshit candle. Um, yeah, I think we'll get a strong bounce still, but I'm calling it today. Don't want to mess with my luck. Hope you guys get to recover some of that money back from that stupid short. We were in long, got that dumbass tweet. If you're long there, you made your money back plus a little bit some. So hope you guys all caught that too. My voice is very low and sweet. Yeah, it's just the mic sometimes, and sometimes maybe you have to turn your volume up on YouTube because you could control that. I try to speak up a lot, but it's just I don't know. My Discord hears me fine. Just the voices changes when on your YouTube for some reason. I don't know why. I get that a lot. Some users complain about it. Some users don't. So I try my best, family. I'll try my best. But yeah, that's it for us. I mean, that is for me. We got to head out. Good luck, guys, on trading today. Remember, there's not much data here today. I mean, there's really not much. So maybe watch out for the Trump tweets and stuff, some bullshit. But other than that, it's a light day. Tomorrow is more heavy. I think we got CPI tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. US ADP weekly employment change and core CPI. Yeah, core CPI right there, 530. So we got some big, and then we got Fed chairman, chair Wash. Still can't believe that's a new chairman. Kevin Wash is going to testify in community. So I don't know what he says is going to impact the market too. So watch out for that. Fed Gucci speak. There's more Fed speaker too at 10. Um, high impactful day tomorrow. Just so you guys know. So tomorrow is very important. I think we got the news from Iran today about this Hamas to kind of understand the situation. Back at the blockage again, which we like. It's still open, but risky. Like traffic still coming in and out, but it's really risky because the U.S. like will back you up if you need to cross it, whatever. But like last time, it still slows down the traffic. Because some tanker don't want to take that risk, right? Yeah, even though it is still open, it's risky. And unless we get some kind of negotiation going on again, where it's safe patches once again, or we going to see a lot of volatile market reaction. Tomorrow's CPI print is important because if it's some negative, with negative momentum news, we'll see some selling. If it's positive, then we probably see a lighter push back up. All right, enough rambling for today. I'm done turning it off. I don't want to look at this anymore. See you guys all tomorrow.